Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to create a new Instagram account and then log in step by step. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, the process is super simple. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Instagram. Tap install to download the app, and once it's done, open it. If you already have an account, simply fill up your credentials and tap login. But we are trying to create a new account, so tap create new account at the bottom. You will also be given option to continue with Facebook, but let's go with creating account manually. Here you will be given with two main options, either to continue with your mobile number or sign up with email address. Let's go with our email address for now. Here enter your email address, and once done, tap next. Tap continue creating account. As you can see, your confirmation code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Create a strong password. And once done, tap next. Fill up your birth date. And once done, tap set and tap next. Now it's time to pick a username. This is how people will find you on Instagram. If your first choice is taken, Instagram will suggest similar ones. And tap next. Once you have chosen, tap next again. Agree to the terms and conditions of Instagram. You can add a profile photo right now by selecting one from your gallery or taking a new picture, or you can skip this step and do it later. Next. So I would not like to turn on the notifications for now, so skip this one. Skip. Instagram may suggest connecting to Facebook or syncing your contacts to find friends. You can skip that for now if you want. Keep tapping next and your new Instagram account is ready. Now, if you already have an account or just created one and logged out, here's how to sign in again. Let me log out from this account first. Okay, first open the Instagram app, and here simply enter your username, your email address or phone number, and your password, and tap login. You can also save your login info if you're logging in from your own device. And you're in. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password on the login screen and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it using your email or phone. And that's how you create and log into your Instagram account on mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.